I just opened the game. I'm a pro. Can I stop? Can I leave the purgatory now? Oh! Alright. I'm back to finish the rest of this shitty mobile game. Boy, it is currently 11:19 p.m. My birds are trying to sleep right now. They're not too happy with me because I'm being loud and keeping them up, and they're probably gonna kill me when I scream like a little bitch baby at the stupid mobile game. When was the last time when did I upload the first one? It was a bit ago. But here we go. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh wow. Alright, night 2. Oh no. Seems someone is knocking at my door. Ooh! Oh shit. I did that the last time. I was freaking myself out. So it was... Who goes there? Ooh! Fucking A! Oh my god. Oh, panhandlers. Food, please! Give me something to eat! Alright, I'll give you some food, buddy. When don't you come in, I'll, make yourself at home. Fuck. I can't be too fucking loud. It's like almost midnight. Ah, fuck that. I don't fucking like that noise. How do I do this? Okay. Fix the clock. Close the windows. Are you fucking kidding me? Nah! Clean the mirrors. Oh my god. Why is my dumbass leaving the fucking windows open? Hi, kitty. Where are these mirrors? That's a light. Is that not? Oh my god! Fucking blowout diarrhea on the window, on the mirror. Whoa. Add jump scare. Ooh. Whiteout survival. Oh my god, the audio is so compressed. Come here! Ah, I'm killing all the endangered polar bears. Yeah. I love poaching. Give me all your ivory from the spooky game. I didn't even complete all the tasks. It's the hobo guy. Why don't you go shoot up more heroin? Why are you bothering me? It's the mailman. Oh my God. Why? Good evening again, my child. Have you noticed any changes since our last meeting? When did I meet you? I'm a paranoid schizophrenic. I'm seeing them in the windows. The voices are getting louder. I feared as much, but no harm will overtake you. No disaster will come near your tent. The power of faith is strong, child. Oh, I don't like that noise in the background. Is there anything else I can do? Never look evil in the eye. Ooh! Okay. Has the cat moved? I hear it. What? Nah! Guitar? Hell yeah. I feel invincible with this. Where's this damn cat? I'll put you in the fucking laundry. Let me serenade you. Ooh! Damn. Who would have thought the ad jump scares are the worst part of this game? What? I don't get it. Huh? Man, I always put the square block in the circle hole growing up. These games aren't for me, man. No, I don't want to play your fucking nut game. Would not. No. I wouldn't nut. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, night 4. Woo. Okay, literally. Okay. I fucking hate the close. Oh no! Get the fuck out. Bro, what? Nah. I'm turning my fucking volume way down. Where'd my guitar go? I dropped it. When do I sleep? Do I work like third shift? No, I don't work third shift because I'm up. Ooh. Yeah, bro. Shit. Can I not interact with things while I'm holding this? No, I can. I'm gonna keep. Oh! Nah! Get the fuck out of my house. Better fucking castle doctrine your ass. I dare you. Give me the pleasure to mag dump on you in my own home. I dare you. Can I just leave? I can't. What other windows are there left to close? Oh my, doesn't even... Alright. Fuck this shit. No! Oh my god. I'm done. I've been recording forever. I'm done. Cut. It's gambling time in the Gamble Corner! Yay! And in today's segment of the Gamble Corner, we're gonna be scratching the $10,000 win all. Let's see what we got. So everyone, pull out their handy dandy rusty flathead, and let's see what we got. Gambling's so fun, right? 11. I love gambling so much. 12. 11 and 12. 14. 15. 7. 3. Right. I kind of did this back asswards, but it's time to see what our winning numbers are. Okay, we got 6. Nothing matches. Go. Oh no. None of them match. Well, our last chance is to win all number. Please, come on, for the love of God, no. Oh my god. Okay. So I was recording for like maybe another 10 minutes, and I lost the recording because my dumbass wasn't. Not that I didn't lose the recording, is that I wasn't recording. Period. Even though I thought I was, I guess I'm just fucking schizophrenic. So I'm recording it now. You didn't miss much. This is a very simple game. Alright, night 7. I thought there's only gonna be like 5 nights. You know, like, but there's a bit more than 5 nights. Hey, broski. Good evening. I was just passing by and noticed your lights on. May I come in? No. Who even are you? Nah, what the fuck was that? You're distracting me from the guy breaking in, aren't you? Okay, bro. Are you the one stashing bodies under the floorboards? Okay, bro. Fix the radio. Take a bath. Oh, hey, broski. Fuck. Seems like I forgot to take my medication. I'm good. Where's my fucking cat? Nah. I can hear that cat. Psst. Oh man, I could fucking sprint, huh? Psst. Where's that cat? There you are. Come here. Oh. Oh my. Ah!